regarding Techno Tackle Software Solutions.
Before partnering with Techno Tackle.
Techno Tackle.
Hey guys, this is Shivansh. I have 12 years of experience in HR and I wanted to develop something of my own related to solving the problems which are currently pertaining in the market for the HR domain and to solve the blue collar hiring problem and the problems which are there for your local people to sort of get connected with the right employers. So technically I got to know, I was like, initially I was struggling to figure out who will be the right person to sort of develop the product for me. I tried looking for people on Google, multiple other channels, but then they were like the kind of ask that they were having for developing a portal that was as simple as which might not take more than like a month or two. They were asking a lot of money, but then technically somehow I landed with Techno Tackles, and they sort of I interacted with Bala. He's the main member. The first initial interaction that has happened with Bala, and then he told me about the kind of team that he has, the kind of product that they have worked on, the kind of developments that they are doing for other clients, and I was quite impressed with the kind of work that they are doing. As he shared few sample works with me. And he was referred by somebody that I know by myself, and I really trust that guy. The same trust and the feel that I got from Bala as well. He was the one who helped me understand what my thoughts are, how do we articulate them, how do we put them into the system, or you would say the software that we want to develop. And technically he was the one who was guiding me through the entire project. Plus they were like Rama from the team who was helping me. He was working as a program manager with us, and he helped me through the entire process. The experience was very seamless, and they worked day and night for delivering the product before time. I was quite impressed because my experience with tech guys have not been that great, wherein they commit something and they deliver. The commitments are not as per what you expect, but then technically with them the perspective has changed a lot. And I was able to see a drastic, I would say, change in the kind, or I would say the thinking and the perspectives that I had towards my platform and how do I want to build it. From after having discussions with Ram and the other team members, they helped me a lot to sort of think through the other problems and the other things that might arise and how can we tackle that. And a lot of brainstorming was done, and technically the product was delivered before time, and we are like going live with it now, and that's an amazing thing. And especially want to mention Ram and Bala. They have been a fantastic you can say support for me, wherein they were there whenever I used to manage things, and there were times when I was not available or I was occupied with some or the other sort of works. They were like even available for me in the orders and sort of helping me to solve the problem that was there. I would recommend to all the people who want to develop something of their own, and these are the people who don't sort of charge you, or technically they don't put you into a situation wherein they can charge you more. They obviously figure out the best solutions, and which are very cost effective. Technically, it is not only that they want to draw money out of your pocket, and they're working with a lot of startups and they're helping them, and they also understand that the mechanism of us being associated with startups are that you help them grow, and then eventually things will grow when these startups will grow. So technically they work on relationships a lot, and cost is something obviously which the kind of cost that they offer is, I think nobody is there in the market who's matching it. So as per my experience with them, it is a great learning for me, and also typically the kind of portal or the project that I was expecting, it has become 10 times better than what I was expecting it to be. And I would recommend to all the companies who are initial stage startups, or somebody who's thinking to start something of their own and want a product, to sort of reach out to these folks, and they can help you a big time in terms of scaling your thing and making it better. all the best, Techno Tackles, and we'll be in touch for the other projects that might be upcoming with the project that is already ongoing with you. Thank you.